Monzo vs Revolut. Let's start with Monzo. Monzo is a UK-based, fully licensed bank that focuses on everyday banking needs. It offers current accounts, saving pots, loans, and overdrafts, all managed via its easy-to-use app. So what it offers for its key features is the UK current account with FSCS protection, which is up to £85,000. They also have a budgeting and spending analytics, so you can manage your money anytime, every day. And you can also have saving pots with interest. So if you save your money, there's obviously interest. And they have overdraft and loan options. And there's also a free UK bank transfer. What is Revolut? So Revolut is a multi-currency travel card and has grown into a super app for money. It's not a bank in all regions, but it offers global transfers. It's like a currency exchange, crypto, and stock trading, making it more like a financial Swiss Army knife. So what it offers is a hold and exchanges of 30 plus currencies. They also have a global money transfer for a low rate. They also have a crypto and stock trading. And they also have virtual cards, as you can see, which is also disposable cards for security. And they also offer premium plans with extra perks. So in conclusion, choose Monzo if you want a safe, everyday UK bank account with full deposit protection. And choose Revolut if you're traveling often or want multi-currency, crypto, and investment features.